Okay, so we have this super fun marble run. If your child loves marble runs, maybe watching them on TV or doing them in general, my son loves to watch them, and that's how we started this and why we got it. Because I was like, you know what? If he's watching it that much, let's get something to entertain him with it, and maybe he can do it instead of just watching it on TV. And so I set this up so everything empties into here. You can set it up however you like. Obviously, be creative, use your imagination, maybe let your child use their imagination, how they might like it. And there's so many pieces, so you can do it like the manual that you get, which looks like this, or you can do something else yourself. I would say use some like a hardwood surface. You can do it on carpet, depending on how maybe new your carpet is. Like if it's really fluffy, sometimes when you put it on there, see if I can show you without this falling apart. Okay, but sometimes when you put it on there, that sits fine. But like these legs right here, if you have many, if you're using many of them in your setup, they are not the best in the carpet. So I prefer to do it on like a hardwood surface, a hard surface, just to help to make it more secure. And then just use your imagination. There's so many pieces, so many different ways you can do this, and it comes with a lot of marbles. So have fun with it and let your child just explore with it.